How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at the Disney Riviera Resort. Today we're staying in the Tower Studio. We're gonna go check that room out. We're gonna do a room tour, see what it looks like. Super pumped. First time staying here as a DVC member, so let's go check it out. We just got our room number. It's gonna be 8721, which is on the 7th floor. Now let's go inside and check this room out. All right, and we're in. And we come inside with a squeaky door. Hey, look, my bags are here. Did that myself. You can see it's a very small living room setup. We'll start off to the left here. We have a microwave, very small fridge with, oh, look at that, I put a monster in there already. Up here we have a toaster, plates, forks, knives. Oh, check it out, wine bottle opener, extra blankets and pillows. And over here we have a light switch. Turns on some extra lights. Up here, also, bucket for ice. We'll pull the bed out in a minute. So the bed is not in a room anywhere. It's in there. Amazing chandelier light fixture in the middle. 50-inch, 55 I believe, 55-inch TV there. 2 footrest and seats, also doubles as storage on the inside. Over here we have a Keurig with the phone, with your coffee, your decaf, your creamers, some cups, more storage space, lighting. Also, if you need a USB and a PowerPoint, right there. The views outside of this place, we'll get to that in a minute. It looks amazing from this room. Some nice art. Again, so this is the completion of the living room area. Now we're going to pull the bed out. All right, now we're going to deploy the bed. We're going to pull this down. A little squeaky and a little stiff. But there we go. And oh, look at that in the background right there. That's awesome. This room is so cool. All right, let's check out the rest of it. Also, after you fold the bed down, there are outlets here with USB, and on the other side right there, and like a little shelf for your stuff. Behind the entrance of the door you have a mirror. Hey. And now we're going to go into the bathroom. Now this bathroom is about the same size as the room, I feel like. First, let's check out the shower. We have a rainfall head and a big shower head here, and our favorite Disney soaps, H2O Disney, and a shelf back here, tile. It looks amazing. I cannot wait to take a shower in there. Toilet, very fancy toilet paper holder. More me. What's up, everybody? Mirrors. Down here we have extra toilet paper, more H2O body lotion, facial soap, and then out of all that we got a closet. And the lights turn on when you open the closet. We have a safe, a collapsible basket, an ironing board, your iron up there, and more extra pillows and blankets. And now to the good parts, the view. Out this window we got the Skyliner with Tower Terror right back there. We got Swan and Dolphin right there. And oh, you can see Epcot right there. But let's go on the deck. All right, here we go outside. As you can see, we have a chair, 2 chairs and a table. And just look at that. We got Skyliner, more Skyliner, Tower Terror, Swan and Dolphin. You can literally just sit right here and watch the entire Epcot show from your room. We're on the 7th floor. This is amazing and looks just unreal. Also, the parking for this section is called West. I parked on East. So if you stay here and you're on the 8721 room direction, it's parking West. But yeah, we need to go ride the Skyliner. What an amazing room. Being a DVC member, I can't explain how much I have enjoyed staying at Disney properties. This has been amazing. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour of the room. Hope I covered everything you wanted to see. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed the video. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're doing more of these as we are going to be staying at Vero Beach, Grand Floridian, and Jumbo House in the coming months. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.